In October 1966, tragedy struck Wales with a disaster at Aber-fan. Vincent was one of the first reporters on the scene for Wales Today, and Good Morning Wales continued coverage the following morning.
Good morning. We come on the air this morning in much the same state of shock and grief as is surely being felt in every home today in Wales, and indeed throughout the world. We can't hope to measure and reflect the horror or even the significance of this appalling and wanton tragedy that's still at this moment working itself out. Just to say one is sorry, just to express one's sympathy, seems so helpless and so stupid. But what we are going to try and do is to relate the story of the action at Aber-fan since that moment, nearly 24 hours ago, when everything came to an end. And let's begin at the most important point of all, at the scene of the disaster, where Gareth Bowen fought his way into the wreckage.
Do you know why they're digging in this particular spot?
Well, a fireman has found some comics, and there's a chimney breast there, the broken mantelpiece. So
what do they think this spot is then?
Well, it's a house, you see. There's the bricks of the fireplace there. The house has come down from the hill there.
Do they know if anybody was in this house?
No idea.
As a young man now, I mean, when you get to my age, emotion is easier. But as a hard, tough 30-year-old or 30-something-year-old, I could never begin to talk to camera or to microphone. Not just in the immediate weeks after it, but in the years after it, without filling up, without struggling to get the words out. My throat would be charged with emotion. It is now. Because of what I knew and what I saw that terrible day, and then the tragedy of the inquiry and the way it was all glossed over, that made me so angry, so very, very angry.